Me, can you focus on me?
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fifthly Asia, and your girl finally went blonde. If you're anything like me and have darker skin and struggle trying to find a blonde that fits your complexion, make sure you keep watching and I'll give you all the details. So dolls, Yolissa Hair Company reached out to me and asked me to do a review of their number 27 hair. As you can see, it's a beautiful golden blonde color. And this is what it looks like after I made the wig. They sent me a frontal and 4 bundles. However, I only used about 2.5 bundles for this wig. They sent me 2 22 and 2 24-inch bundles. So because I'm not too fond of the blonde look coming straight out the roots, I decided to tint the roots, and I used the color Silk, beautiful color, number 46, medium golden chestnut brown. And what I'm doing right here is I'm using a spoolie to apply the color to the roots. And what this does is it allows me to get really close to the base of the wig without getting the color on the lace. You want to be really careful when doing this because it is really easy to tint and dye the lace mistakenly, and then you'll have another issue on your hand. Of course, this part is definitely optional. You can easily just apply the wig without tinting the roots. Okay, dolls, so this is the wig. I'm about to try it on. However, before I do, I'm going to show you really briefly on how I sewed this elastic band into the wig. I thought that this was general knowledge, but there have been a lot of videos recently showing this, so apparently it's not. So the easiest thing to do is to try the wig on, right? You want to put the wig on however it is you plan on wearing it. So you want to put it on, fit it to your head, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one side of the elastic band and I'm going to mark where I'm going to put the elastic band. So usually I put it right above my ear on both sides. So I'm going to just hold it here because this is where it's going to be. I'm going to take the wig off. So what you want to do is you want to turn the wig inside out, and the goal is to have the elastic band aligned with the band on the cap. So you're going to basically continue in the same axis that the elastic from the band is running, and then just run it up. And usually I like to put the elastic just like right above my ear, so that's right up over here. So I'm going to sew this here. I'm going to take the slanted side and just place that right here. You want it kind of close to the front, but not too much in the front to where it's going to show. So I'm going to sew this. So now as you can see, I've sewn this on, and it's on the same axis as the elastic within the wig. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on. And I'm gonna align it like how I want to wear it on my face. And then I'm going to take this elastic and I'm gonna pull it, and I'm gonna bring it over to the other side. And I'm gonna put it like right above my ear. You want it to make sure it's snug though. You want to make sure it's snug, but don't make sure it's not too tight, because this can and will give you a headache if it is too tight. So I have it pretty snug. I'm holding it so I can mark the spot, and now I'm going to just take this off, and I'm going to just sew it on the other side. And of course I want to make sure that the elastic is straight so that it could lay flat. So I'm just going to sew it right where I have my hand at. And that's about it. That's how simple it is. So, guys, I am starving. I went and I grabbed some chips. So let me tell y'all, because I'm trying to wait until I finish filming before I eat. My homegirl went to New York and got these for me. It's so hard to find Wise potato chips, like if you're not in the Northeast. And when I tell you, these used to be my favorite. These crunchy cheese doodles. I'm sorry, Cheetos can't mess with this. I'm sorry, it just can't. I mixed that with the onion and garlic, and good combination. Anyway, sorry, randomness. Back to your regularly scheduled program. All right, I'm gonna put this wig on, and then I'm going to cut it and install it off camera. I have to have a separate video for this, girls, because I actually found a replacement for Got to Be glue. I can't wait for y'all to see this. Make sure y'all subscribe and turn on your notifications. That video should be coming up at least within a week. So I'll be back, and when I come back, it'll be already cut and installed on my head. Hey dolls, so today is the next day. I had to go to sleep. I had to eat and go to sleep. I was just so tired. It was so late last night when I was filming. Anyway, so what I decided to do is I decided I wanted to add some curls in here to see if I could bring those highlights that I saw initially before I actually dyed the roots. See if I could bring some of them back by adding some curls. Because while it's straight right now, to me it looks like a solid golden brown, but there aren't any high and low lights in the hair. At least I don't really see them. So I'm gonna see if I can bring that to life. So I'm gonna curl the hair using this, I think this is 1 1/4 inch barrel curling wand. And I'm just gonna add some curls on this hair. I don't want them to be tight because I want it to be like loose, some fluffy loose curls. Now, one thing I will say about this hair that I do not like is the fact that it does have these loose pieces. I'm not sure if you can see. I try to slick some of them down. I did put some like a leave-in conditioner on top of it, and that did help. However, it is looking just like bleached hair. You know how bleached hair, if you haven't split ends, yeah, this is the real deal. This bad boy got split ends too. So let me go ahead and add these curls really quickly. If you hold it before you let it drop, it helps let the curls set. And then as you can see, this holds a little bit more than this one. Okay, let me try to fluff this out. These curls were a little resistant to curl. So dolls, I think I do like it better curled because I can see more of the highlights, the different undertones within the hair, as opposed to when it's straight. To me, it just looks like it's one color, as opposed to now you could see a little bit more of the different colors within the hair. But of course, it's whatever you like, you know, do what suits you. And I think this color, you know, I don't know. For me, I don't know. I love certain blonde hair on other people, but whenever I put it on me, blonde for some reason just seems to change the way I look. Like I look like somebody else, if that makes any sense. And I've tried many colors, and none of the other colors really do that to me. But for some reason, whenever I put blonde in my hair, it seems like the blonde really gives me a total different look. And I'm not sure if I like it, or it just could be different, and that could be what I'm not too sure of, because I just feel like it looks different. I think it is complementary to brown skin though. I just don't know if I like it on me. So I mean, I guess if I'm going for a different look, then I could always throw this on. Guys, let me know what you think. You like this color on me or no? I won't get offended if you don't. It's cool. Once again, all the information for this hair will be provided in the description box down below. And thanks, guys. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks again for visiting my channel and supporting your girl as I'm on my way to 10K. Hopefully I can get there by the end of the month. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with some of your girlfriends. And until next time, you guys stay blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Take care now. Bye.